One of the biggest questions homeowners ask us right now is,
should we renovate now or wait?
maybe you're hoping prices come down,
Maybe interest rates are making you hesitate.
or maybe you're just trying to avoid making an expensive mistake.
Today, we're breaking down how to actually think about that decision.
Let's dive right in.
Let's start with the big one.
Will construction prices drop significantly?
Probably not in the way most people hope.
Material spikes may settle, and some categories may also move.
But labor, insurance, permits, and overhead rarely move backwards.
Especially on Long Island, where demand stays strong and skilled labor stays expensive.
Now let's talk about waiting.
A lot of people only think about the cost of renovating.
But waiting has a cost too.
Living in a house that doesn't work for your family,
Temporary fixes, leaks getting worse, layout problems, missed opportunities.
and if you wait 2 years and prices go up again, you didn't save money, you just delayed even more pain.
With all that said, sometimes waiting is the right move.
If your finances aren't ready, if the scope isn't clear, or if you're making emotional decisions,
Pause.
a rushed renovation is almost always a bad renovation.
The goal is never to start fast, it's to start smart.
Even if you're not ready to build tomorrow, you should still get information now.
Understand the real cost range.
Talk to an architect, talk to a contractor.
Figure out what's possible before you're forced to make fast decisions.
Clarity beats guessing every single time.
People also focus heavily on interest rates.
And yes, they do matter.
But if rates drop, demand often rises, which can push construction pricing up again.
So waiting for the perfect timing really can be an endless loop.
There's rarely a perfect market. There's only the right strategy for your situation.
If the renovation solves a real problem, your budget is realistic, and you have the right team,
Then waiting for cheaper pricing usually won't be the right move.
but if you're unclear, underfunded, or forcing it,
Then waiting is probably the smarter decision.
don't make renovation decisions based on headlines.
Make them based on your house, your goals, and your financial reality.
If this helped, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.